Today we will create this node-based animation on our channel Think Sci-Fi. Before starting the tutorial, let me tell you that this tutorial is available in Hindi also. If you are comfortable in Hindi, go check it out. First of all, clear the environment by pressing A and delete key. Add a cylinder by pressing Shift A. Go to the edit menu by pressing Tab key. Then press RX 90 to rotate it on X-axis. Press SY8 so that the cylinder will scale only on Y-axis. Go to the face select mode and select both the end of the cylinder. Then select X and click faces to remove the face. Again press Tab key for coming back to the object mode. Make a duplicate of the cylinder by pressing Shift D. Press S, then Shift Y so that the duplicate cylinder do not scale in the Y-axis. Make one more duplicate of the cylinder by following the same process. Select all the three cylinders by pressing A. Then mouse left click shade smooth. Select the middle cylinder and go to the shading menu. Go to the render view and make the world completely black. Click new and delete the principal BSDF by pressing X. Add transparent BSDF and emission by pressing Shift A. To connect both the shader with material output, we have to connect it with mix shader. Connect transparent BSDF on the top and emission on the bottom of mix shader. Then connect mix shader to material output. If you are facing any problem, then you can hide the other two cylinder. We have to connect color wrap to the mix shader factor. Then noise texture. If you have enabled Node Wrangler, then click Ctrl T by selecting noise texture. Then connect object to the vector. Otherwise, you can follow this process to enable Node Wrangler. Connect color wrap to the mix shader factor. Increase the detail of noise texture to the maximum and distortion up to 2 and roughness also to the maximum, and scale is around 1.5. Move the black part of color wrap. You will see some texture forming. Choose your color in emission shader. Unhide the second cylinder and assign the same material to it. Unhide the third cylinder and assign the same material to it also. You are facing any problem with the name, you can change it. The letter 3 written near the material means the same material is applied on the 3 objects. If you make any changes in the node of this cylinder, all the changes will form in other 2 also. To assign a separate material on this cylinder on 3, Now if you make any changes in this cylinder, the other two cylinders will remain unchanged. Go to the material setting and select alpha blend in blend mode. Increase the emission strength of a small cylinder and go to the render setting and turn on all the 4 options. Assign the color to the small cylinder according to you. Adjust the color wrap for different result. Go to the large cylinder, click on 2 and now select the color according to your need. Increase the emission strength up to 100 and make the changes in color wrap also. Adjust the setting of all the 3 cylinder according to you. And if you are interested in downloading this motion graphics or many more motion graphics, then I will provide my Shutterstock portfolio link in the description so that you can easily download it from there. Go to the layout and press the key just below escape key and select front. Add a camera by pressing Shift A. Press 0 for the camera view. Bring the camera up to -8 in the Y location. Go to the camera setting and reduce the focal length up to 34. Go to the setting tab and make the changes in node setting for achieving satisfactory result. This is my final node for all the 3 cylinders. Add a timeline and make an animation of 150 frame. It will make an animation of 5 seconds according to 30 FPS. Select the large cylinder and go 0 on the timeline and enter a keyframe by pressing I on the mapping of Y location. Go to the last frame on the timeline, enter 100 in Y location of mapping and enter keyframe. You can animate the other 2 cylinders by the same process, but in my case I will use camera to animate. Select the camera and go to the 0 on the timeline and enter keyframe on the Y location. Now go to the last frame on the timeline and enter 8 on the Y axis and enter keyframe. This is a simple and straight animation of a camera. Now we will add rotation to the camera. For that, again go to 0 on the timeline and enter keyframe on the Y of rotation. Then go to the last frame on the timeline and enter 90 on the Y and close the keyframe. Now it is sci-fi. Go to the solid view and hide the camera. Select all the 3 cylinders by pressing A. Then press M to create a new collection. Then go to the top view and press Shift A and select fog in the collection instance. Then select move tool and move the collection by pressing Ctrl behind the cylinders. Press Shift D and again arrange the duplicate behind it. Make some more duplicates of it and arrange accordingly. Now go to the camera view by pressing 0. And if the bloom is too much in your scene, then you can reduce the intensity. Go to the color management and select high or very high and reduce gamma if required. You can change setting anytime if it's required. Now your animation is done. If you are interested in learning this type of animation, then please subscribe to my channel. To save the animation in the video form, follow the same process. And if you want to save the animation in the 4K, then just change the value of percentage up to 200. Thank you for watching.